Buttons are a fastener that have been around for a long time. They come in many different shapes and sizes. This video will cover button basics and how to sew them. Buttons come in two types, shank and flat. A shank button means the attachment is on the back of the button, meaning part of the button is protruding on the back. A flat button has holes going through it, either 2 or 4 holes. All buttons can come in a variety of sizes, but if you're using a pattern, use the size recommended. On patterns, button placement and buttonholes will be marked. This placement is important because typically the buttonhole will be the same distance away from the finished garment edge as the diameter of the button. If you change the button size, the center of the garment may look off. Mark the button placement by either transferring marks from the pattern or putting a fabric marker through the center of the buttonhole to mark the fabric. Shank buttons must be sewn by hand. You can use button/craft thread or all-purpose. If using all-purpose, it's recommended to run the thread through beeswax to keep the thread from getting tangled. Thread the needle and pull the ends of the thread together and tie a knot. When hand sewing on a button, I like to look at the right side. This way I can hide my knot underneath the button. Pull this through. So I just do a little stitch and then just do another little stitch just to anchor everything. Grab my shank button right here, go through the hole, and then do another little stitch just to initially attach the button to the fabric. Then you'll alternate between going through the shank hole and going through your fabric. And you're going to do this stitch about 4 or 5 times until the button feels like it's secure. To finish sewing your button, bring your needle so it's behind your threads, pull through and do this a few times. The last time, bring your needle through the loop to tie a knot. Lastly, I'll bring my needle through the hole to do the same thing on the other side and then cut my threads. Flat buttons can be sewn by hand or by sewing machine. When hand sewing a flat button, I'm going to start the same way. So I'm looking at the right side and then do another stitch for an anchor. Then I'll grab my flat button here, go through one of the holes, and the order that you put your stitches through the buttonhole is entirely up to you. So you can go any order that you want. Then I'm going to go down through a hole after I position my button. And before I pull this all the way through, I'm going to put a toothpick underneath. And this just keeps the button from getting sewn too tight to the fabric. So there's a little wiggle room there. And then go up through my first hole and go down into the original hole. So I will go down this set or this pair of holes a few times, 3 or 4 times, and then go ahead and do the same thing with the holes over on this side. When you finish, you can remove the toothpick, go through one of the holes, but don't go into the fabric, just bring it so it's behind the button. Pull that through. And I'm going to wrap my thread around the threads that are underneath the buttonhole 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Pull this away. You can see my threads under there. Grab a little bit of thread so you create a loop, go through the loop to tie a knot. And if you want to make it extra secure, you can do it again. After you have your knot, you can go ahead and trim your thread. You can get creative when hand sewing 4-hole flat buttons for different looks. To sew them by machine, use all-purpose thread. Put the feed dogs down and exchange the presser foot for a button foot or no foot at all. Switch the stitch setting to a zigzag stitch. Place the button under the presser foot. Turn the hand wheel to make sure the needle goes into the side-by-side holes without hitting the button. If not, you may need to adjust the stitch width. If it goes through okay, press the foot pedal to sew through the holes. Buttons can be a functional but also decorative part of your garment. If you need help with creating machine buttonholes, check out our tutorial in the description. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of our new releases. Also check out ProfessorPincushion.com to view our complete library with well over 450 sewing tutorials. If you would like to directly support us, you can join our YouTube membership and earn some exclusive perks. Thanks for watching!